Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. Today we will be changing that old timer from back there, the old barbecue, with this one from Rockwell, made by Good Home. So I grabbed this from Brico Depot, and we will be unboxing this and put it to test. Okay, so let's cut this thing up pretty quick and start mounting it. Okay, so in the box we have the accessories tied with something up on the box, the manuals, how to assemble the stuff, and I am moving on fast forward because in reality I'm moving really slow and you don't have to go through that pain. So we have the lid over there, more accessories, some arms over there, and some of those boxes are empty because they are put like that so they are not flipping inside the box during the travel. The wheels are inside here, the grills, and we should pull out all the parts and prepare the front for the assembly. Yep, everything is empty except this box. So here are the legs in this box.
Let's put these pieces together. Okay, let's find it first. So I need a star screwdriver.
Okay, so we're starting building up the base, which consists in two pieces that are tied together with a couple of screws. But we can find it over here. That paper is marked on the back, so you know which screw will belong to which hole. So it's pretty straightforward. The mounting, the only downside of this is that they have a lot of screws and you'll have to screw a lot of things. If I knew, I would take an electrical screwdriver, but me myself, by default I like to do it manually because I want to feel the torque setting for the screw itself, so I don't over tighten them or something like that. Okay, so the legs, they have two holes down there, and you need to align them with the other holes, so over here you need to be careful a bit. There are some metallic plates that you need to put it on the sides so you can provide more strength to the legs. They also hold in places with some screws. And now basically we will place the base. Get it down. So it's looking like this. So in order to see how the holes are present on all sides, and also here, this one.
So this base is brilliant for the grill, because you can use it to hold your recipients for the meat, or you can hold your tools for the grill, you know, like the brush or the can with the meat or stuff like that. So it's pretty practical. That's why I like that. And I like that fact that it comes with these wheels, because you can simply move the grill along and you will not have to lift all the grill by yourself and you know, put too much strength into this action in case that you need to relocate the grill while it's turned on. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to relocate it. And now I'm just finishing up the last pieces. There are some plates over here that I need to tighten them with some screws to provide even more strength to the legs, to be more stable. Starting to look better, the insides, so you can see what I did. And now I'm mounting the hinges for the lid, and this is the base cap where you put your wood for the fire, or coal, depending on what are you using. Has some spaces for thermic expanding. And this is the back plate for the lid. So all we need now is to put the handle to the cap and connect the cap with the hinges, and then we will be finished. We also need to put the air vent on the cap, but we'll see that soon. Okay guys, so I finished with the barbecue. It's looking like this from all sides. It has a nice clamp here that can you know, evacuate the hot air inside in case that you are closing it, but you can see it's not perfect tight, so yeah, you can adjust it from here. We have here this little steel place that we can use it, you know, even like a clamp, or it's made especially to raise this when it's hot, like this, so you can pour in multiple fuel for the fire, you know, wood or whatever you desire. So this is it. Now we are starting testing it. And yes, I started testing everything. So these are some pig's neck, how we call it in Romania, ceafă de porc. And I put also some chicken legs, superior chicken legs, and some chicken breasts, of course. And I also placed some sausages. and smoking. It's looking really good. I put inside some pork ribs. You can see how smushy they look. And also some vegetables, pumpkins. And these are some pork ribs that they stayed in condiments for 2 weeks or so. And these are the mititei, our Romanian specialty. I also put some bread. It's cooking very nice on this grill.
Okay, so this is the final product. Seems that we did a good job. We have everything over here. We tested everything basically. So we had problems only with these things because they had some fire condiments on them, barbecue style, you know. But other than that, it was okay. Yep, so enjoy, guys.